So our GreenFlex lawn care program is a new subscription model program. We truly believe in the value this has to offer with many of our clients because people want lawn care that just happens. You don't want to have to call us when it's in a drought and you feel like you're getting too many services and you're paying for extra services you don't need. Or in the winter when you feel like, hey, lawn's dead, which it's not dead. That's in another video. However, we want you to pay for just the right amount of lawn care. But this lawn care program includes 32 visits a year. You can cancel at any time. This allows for us to do what you hired us to do, and that's make your lawn look great. It's going to include spot spraying the weeds as needed. It's going to include bagging as needed. You can add on for a low monthly cost plant and bed care. In cases with a lawn like this and there's not a whole lot of plants in the beds, it could be an extra $13 a month. And you get it 4 times a year. The GreenFlex program is designed to be a very simple, a very straightforward, and a very consistent service that allows us to teach our guys one service to do it very, very well. We have over 500 clients that we've taken their expectations, their wants, their needs. We've listened and we've heard you. And now we have something that offers comprehensive service that you just sign up for, just like your Netflix account, and just enjoy. If at the end of the year we leave with an extra service left over, we'll credit it back to your account. If you need an extra service, you'll pay a per service rate on that until we cycle into the next season. But all of this, as again, you can cancel at any time. You get more bang for your buck, you get more eyes on your property, and you get overall just better care. So welcome to GreenFlex. We look forward to the 2024 season.